Bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are whipping up a gorgeous Lavender Aloe Hydrating Facial Toner. This DIY was inspired by a popular lavender toner that you can purchase, but I decided to kind of riff on the idea and incorporate a lot more hydrating ingredients, taking inspiration from Asian beauty style hydrating toners. The bulk of this toner is a combination of a few lovely watery things. So we have some lavender hydrosol, which makes the whole lot smell beautifully of lavender and brings its wonderful, soothing lavender goodness to the party. We have some moisturizing, calming aloe vera juice and some astringent, anti-inflammatory witch hazel distillate. For hydrating goodness, I've included a few of my favorite humectants. We have hyaluronic acid, we have some sodium lactate, and some Propanediol 1,3. I chose these humectants not only because they're very effective humectants, but also because they're not very sticky. I found that in lighter formulations like this one, stickier ingredients can stick out a bit more. So I chose some non-sticky humectants so that the skin feel of this product is lovely. I've also included some panthenol and some allantoin for further soothing, moisturizing, generally awesome skin benefits. If you want to learn more about this formulation, please make sure you are checking it out on my blog on humblebeeandme.com. It's linked in the description box below. You'll find a lot more information there. You can also look up the ingredients in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia to learn more about why we include them in our skincare products. But come on, let's get started. Since this hydrating toner is cold processed, all we really have to do is weigh everything into a beaker, stir to combine, and we are ready to rock and roll. To start with, you'll need 3 grams of Propanediol 1,3. You'll need 4.86 grams sodium lactate, and as you can see, this is a liquid solution of sodium lactate. If your sodium lactate is in powder form, please make sure you're checking out the encyclopedia post on sodium lactate on humblebeeandme.com to learn how to use that instead. You'll need 12 grams witch hazel distillate, 12 grams aloe vera juice, 12 grams of a 1% low molecular weight hyaluronic acid solution, and 15 grams of lavender hydrosol. And the lavender hydrosol I'm using today is a really special one. This was distilled by one of my readers, Jen, who lives in British Columbia, and we met at the Nanaimo Humblebee and Me meetup in 2019. So I'm using her gorgeous lavender hydrosol for this. I've been saving it for something special. And now we've just got 3 ingredients left. You'll need 0.3 grams liquid germall plus, 0.6 grams panthenol or vitamin B5, and 0.24 grams of allantoin. So I find that the panthenol dissolves pretty much immediately, but the allantoin takes some time, about 1.5 to 2 days to really fully dissolve, but I promise that it does. Here's a version of this toner about 2 days after I made it, and you can see that it is crystal clear and that there's no sort of visual sediment in it. Even up to a day after I made it, I did notice some visual sediment from undissolved allantoin, but it did eventually all dissolve. To package it up, I'm using a 60 milliliter or 2 fluid ounce squeezy bottle with one of these turret caps, and this makes for really easy dispensing of the liquid. To help me keep all my little bottles straight, I'm going to pop a little bit of washi tape on here. I've chosen purple since this is a lavender product. And then of course, an actual label is also in order. And there you go. We just made a beautiful Lavender Aloe Hydrating Facial Toner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and please make sure you are checking out the description box below this video and clicking through to the blog, humblebeeandme.com, to read the partner blog post where you'll find a lot more information, including information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.